Ma'am. Ma'am.
Dear children, power failure was there. Sorry for that. We can continue. Ameya, please unmute. Okay. So first question was 210
into 15.
into 15. So first we have to multiply 210 by which digit?
5.
5. So
5
0,
into is equal to 0.
0. Then next 1 into 5.
1 into 5 is equal to 5.
5. 2 into 5.
2 into 5.
2 into 5.
1 minute. 1 minute, man.
1 into 5
10.
equal to 5. 2 into 5 equal to 10. In that 10, 0 in the 100 place, 1 in the 1000 place. Because here nothing is there to multiply again. So we can put 1 in the 1000 place. This step is correct, Ameya?
Yes, ma'am.
Is correct. Yes.
Yes,
So what is the next step?
Next, we wanted to put a 0 in the that 0.
Ones place. 0 in the ones place. Because we are going to multiply by the tens place digit. Okay. Then
No.
1 into 0.
1 into 0 is equal to 0.
1 into 1.
1 into 1 is equal to 1.
1. 1 into 2.
1 into 2 is equal to 2.
Is this step is correct, dear?
No, ma'am.
Maybe you forgot to put 1 0. Otherwise, you made multiplication wrong. 10 by 10.
Yes, ma'am. I forgot to put 1 0. I only put.
Yes. Dear children, this much have you all got correct? Yes. Joy, have you got this much correct? Joy Eric, yes. What about Niran? He's thinking. Okay. Now we have to add 0 plus 0. 0.
1 minute, ma'am. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Then 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Then 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1. Then 1 into 2.
Not 1 into 2. 1 plus 2
is equal to 3.
3. So 3150. I hope those who made mistake have understood your mistake now. Now, Sweden, please unmute. For the second question, what is the answer you got here? 411 into 10. Not 10, 21.
21.
Now, Sweden can tell me by which digit we will multiply first, dear? 2 or 1? Sorry?
Ma'am, what is the third question?
Third question was 308 into 13. 308 into 13. 308 into 13. Those who have not done, they can do now.
Okay, ma'am.
Sweden,
31.
can you hear me?
Yes.
First we have to multiply 411 by 2 or 1.
1.
1. So 1 into 1. 1 into 1, Sweden. 1. Again 1 into 1.
1.
1.
And today's test. Today we have test.
Dear, of last 5 minutes I will take the test. Now,
Okay,
1 into 4.
4.
4. Then, next step, what do you have to do? Something you have to put in the ones place. The second step, what do you have to put here? Sweden, before start multiplication by 2, you have to put something in the ones place. What is that?
0.
0. 2 into 1. 2 into 1, dear.
2.
2. 2 into 1.
2.
2. 2 into 4.
8.
8. That is in the 1000 place. Now what we have to do? Now what we have to do?
We have to calculate.
We have to add. Add this product. 1 plus 0. Sorry, 1 plus 0.
1.
1. 1 plus 2.
3.
3. 4 plus 2.
6.
6. And here nothing is there to add. We can put it down. Will you read this answer?
8,631.
8,631. Okay. How many of you got this answer? Yes. Yes. Niharika. Okay.
Ma'am, can you share the board once more?
Sorry?
Ma'am, can you share the board once more?
Oh, that's second question answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I will ask. I will share. Okay, for the next question, I want Joy Eric, please unmute for the next question. Please unmute here.
Yes,
okay. Ambeya, please see the answer. Have you got the answer, dear?
1 minute, ma'am.
Sorry?
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, HTO. Next question was 308 into 13. Joy? Can you hear me?
Yes.
By which digit we have to multiply first? By 1 or 3? 3. 8 into 3. What you'll get 8 into 3?
24.
24. In 24, what do you have to write in this ones place?
4.
4 we have to write in the ones place. And what do you have to do this 2?
Carry to tens place.
Carry to the tens place. 3 into 0?
0.
0 plus 2?
2.
2. Next, 3 into 3?
9.
9. And before starting the next step, what you have to do? What we have to do in the ones place here? Something we have to put. For the next step, we have to multiply 308 by 1. 0 we have, before that, 0 we have to put in the ones place. Then 1 into 8?
8.
8. 1 into 0?
0.
1 into 3?
3.
3. Now what do you have to do?
Add.
Now, add. 0 plus 4?
4.
8 plus 2?
10.
10. In 10, 0 you will write here. 1 we will carry to the 100 place. 9 plus 1?
10.
10. 0 here. 1 will carry to the 1000 place. 3 plus 1?
4.
4. Will you read this answer?
Yes. 4004.
Yes, 4004. Good. Okay. Now, dear children, please take your workbook. Anybody is having any doubt in these 3 questions? Or how to do multiplication by 2 digit?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear? If you doing many practice, if you are practicing many questions only, you will be thorough with this. So you have to, many problems are in the, yes, many problems are in the textbook. Otherwise,
Okay, ma'am.
I also will send
Okay,
few
ma'am.
more problems today. That also you have to copy to the notebook and practices. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
now open your workbook. Everybody open your workbook. Page number 60.
Ma'am.
Yes, Janvi.
Ma'am, we are not doing 17 and 18.
Yes, sure. We will be doing. Wait.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what was the first question?
Now you have to take page number 60. 60.
Ma'am, I joined late.
Sorry?
I joined late.
Okay. Dear, we were discussing homework questions. I'll send through WhatsApp. Okay. The same answers I'll send through WhatsApp. Now, please take. You are ready, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready with your workbook, page number 60.
Workbook?
Yes, workbook, page number 60. Now, Niren, please read question number 7 and mute. Question number 7.
Ma'am, which book?
Workbook, dear. Workbook, page number 60.
Which question?
Question number 7. Fast. Read.
60.
Do you have your workbook with you, dear?
The product of 70 and 6 is
Dash. Product of 70 and 6 is dash. What will be the product of 70 and 6? All of you multiply and check. Multiply and check fast. 70 into 6.
0 into 6.
6 into 0. What you will get? 6 into 0?
0.
0. 7 into 6? 7 6 are? Joy knows. Joy unmute and say 7 6 are? Unmute.
42.
42. Niren, 7 6 are?
42.
42. So what is the answer?
For,
What is the
40.
answer? What is the answer?
20.
420. For one easy way is there. You only here 17. No. So you can multiply 7 and 6 and you can put a 0. When the multiple of 10 comes, you can do like this. That let it be there. No need to confuse. You can 70 into 6, you can multiply normally and you can get the answer like this. Okay. Now 804. Who will find the product of 804? Hail, please unmute. You can multiply 8 and 4 and you can put 2 zeros. Okay, that is the shortcut way. Otherwise, if you have confusion, you can do like this. 800 into 4. 4 into 0. Hail, 4 into 0.
0.
0. 4 into 0.
0.
0. 4 into 8.
32.
Sorry?
32.
Not 22, dear. 32.
32.
Will you read this? Will you read this number?
3,200.
3,200. The same way, if you are multiplying 8 into 4, you will get 32. Along with that, 2 zeros. Then also you will get the same answer, 3,200. Now, next question, Adidev MJ. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Ninth question. The product of 301 by 3.
The product of 301 by 3 is
301 into 3. HTO. 1 into 3?
TO.
3. 3 into 0? 3 into 0?
3.
3 into 0? 3 into 0?
0.
0. 3 into 3?
3 into 0. 0.
3 into, next step is 3 into 3. 3 into 3, what you will get? 3 3s are? 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are? Who knows 3 3s are? UN, please unmute and tell me.
9.
9. So 903. The answer is 903. Adidev, 3 3s are how much? 3 3s are how much, dear? Will you repeat? Unmuted. Unmute. 3 3s are?
3 into 3, 9.
9. Okay. Now, next question to Joanne. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the product of 222 and 2? What we will get? 220 into 2. If you want, you can do it in the maths notebook. Okay. 2 into 2. What you will get? 2 into 2?
4.
4. Again 2 into 2?
4.
4.
And
444. 444.
44.
0, 1. Into.
Next question, Arush, please unmute. Arush, please unmute. Unmute, dear.
0. 3 into 3, 9. Yes, I'm not.
Yes. Next question, 121, product of 121 and 2. HTO, 121 into 2. 1 into 2.
2. And 2.
2 into 2.
4.
1 into 2.
2.
2. So the answer is
242.
242. Okay. Now, next question. Shringa, please unmute.
4.
Unmute dear.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
333 into 3.
666.
HTO, what do you will get?
99.
Sorry?
999.
Yes, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. 999. The other two questions we have done as homework. Now, dear children, I know few of you will be there to complete. Those who have network issues, I will send through WhatsApp, dear children. Now,
Ma'am.
we can do the test.
Ma'am, what is the first question? Ma'am, you can ask
Seventh question.
some
Here,
table
I'll
questions.
send through WhatsApp. Now we can do the step. Sorry,
You
test.
can ask some
Okay.
table
Yes,
questions.
test. All
Ma'am,
of you, close your
we
books.
we will.
Close your books. I'm going to send the link. Close your book. Be ready for the test. Please wait. Please check the chat box. Please keep your audio muted. Adira, have you got the link? Dear children, have you got the link? Have you all got the link? Ah, yes. Okay, do.
I cannot do this test.
Ma'am, I didn't got the link.
Who didn't get? Adira.
Ma'am,
Okay, I will send once more. Please wait. Yes, check.
I cannot do this test.
I hope everybody got the link. Yes. Dear children, please do it and submit. I'm going to wind up the class. Now, nobody is left to get the link.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, very good. Very good.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
got full
Thank you,
marks.
my dear children. Bye.